For the paperclip rings, I use the 28mm regular size paperclip. You need a round form, so a marker or a ring cone, and your tools. If you don't have paper clips, the best thing to use is stainless steel wire. This is 20 gauge. It's quite stiff, just like the paper clips. You can use 20 gauge tarnish resistant brass, tinned copper, or any half hard wire. And if you only have a softer wire, use a little thicker, like 18 gauge. We always start with opening up the paper clip with our flat pliers. You can do this by hand, but it's easier to do with the pliers. So just go slowly and pinch it along as you go. You just want to get it as straight as you can. So to do the devil horns with the paper clip, we're just going to bring the wires around like this, so we see the halfway point. Make sure it fits your finger, and then we'll just decide where we want to start it. So we're going to bend it up at an angle, and this one too, we'll bend it up at an angle, and I'm going to hold it here and bend it that way. This one too, we're going to hold it here, bend it out that way, so it looks like this. Then curve it out, take the flat pliers, hold it, bend that to the front so it's sharp, pinch it in, do the same over here, bend it around, bring this one around here, compare them, hold that where the top should be, and then push it back on itself and give it a little pinch. So this is what we have so far, and then we need to curve this one out. So we can start here at the bottom and just start to curve it around. And this side too, we have to curve it, flip it over if it's easier, and curve it out. Then have a look and compare them. You might have to do a little bit of adjusting. Once these are the shape you like, you might have some extra, so just take your flat pliers, hold the end, lift it up a bit, hold the end, and where you want that to finish, just hold it, bend it back and forth until it snaps. You don't want to use your best cutters for this, and then just bring it down flush. This one too, you might have just a little bit to take off, so just like gently wiggle it back and forth until it snaps off, and then you can push it flush. Make sure the end is pushed in there so it won't be scratchy. You can wiggle it into that little corner there too if you like as well. Whatever you think looks best. Just keep adjusting it till you think it looks good. And there you have your devil horn ring.